Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to clean the 5.5 inch saw blade for cordless ryobi saw. For this we'll need some 91% alcohol, 220 grit paper, rag, and some various brushes. This particular saw blade is made for plastics and veneer. Now we're putting our 91% alcohol and rag. We've done a final wipe down with our brake clean. Now let's put some oil on it. I've done a review of this oil. It's $80 a gallon. The blade is nice and sharp and ready for our next project. Be sure to visit my channel and check out all my full length videos.